For Baltimore homeowners looking to improve their homes without stretching their renovation budget, pre-made windows offer one of the most practical and cost-effective solutions available. Whether you live in a classic row house, a mid-century home, or a newer suburban property, upgrading your windows can significantly improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Pre-made windows, also known as standard size or ready-made windows, deliver these benefits at a fraction of the cost of custom windows. Here are the top reasons why budget-conscious Baltimore homeowners are choosing pre-made windows for their window replacement projects. Significantly lower upfront costs. One of the biggest advantages of pre-made windows is affordability. Custom windows are built to specific measurements and often require specialized manufacturing, which increases costs. Pre-made windows, on the other hand, are mass-produced in standard sizes, reducing production expenses and making them more budget-friendly. Baltimore homeowners can save money upfront without sacrificing quality, making it easier to replace multiple windows at once or tackle full home upgrades on a budget. Faster availability and installation. Custom windows can take weeks, or even months, to manufacture, which can delay your home improvement timeline. Pre-made windows are readily available through most home improvement retailers and window suppliers, meaning you can start your project sooner. Faster availability means minimal wait times, same week or even same day pickup, quicker installation scheduling, faster energy savings and comfort improvements. For Baltimore homeowners dealing with drafty, outdated, or damaged windows, quick turnaround is a major advantage. High-quality options that fit most homes. Many Baltimore row homes, townhouses, and suburban homes were built using standard window sizes that align perfectly with today's pre-made options. This means budget-conscious homeowners can install high-quality windows without needing custom manufacturing. Pre-made windows are available in a variety of styles, including double-hung casement, slider picture bay and bow awning with modern insulation options, durable materials, and stylish finishes. Pre-made windows offer excellent value for the price. Improved energy efficiency at an affordable price. Just because pre-made windows cost less doesn't mean they lack performance. Many ready-made windows feature the same energy-saving technologies found in custom models. Energy-efficient features may include double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, argon gas insulation, secure, tight ceiling frames. These upgrades help Baltimore homeowners combat drafts, reduce heat gain during summer, and maintain warmth in winter, all while lowering monthly utility bills. Lower installation costs compared to custom windows. Since pre-made windows fit standard openings, the installation process is often simpler and faster than installing custom windows. This reduces labor costs and makes professional installation more affordable. Benefits of easier installation: fewer structural modifications, less time spent on site, reduced risk of unexpected expenses, smoother overall project timeline. For cost-conscious homeowners, these savings add up quickly. Durability and long-term value. Today's pre-made windows are built to last. With sturdy vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames and advanced glass technology, these windows can withstand Baltimore's seasonal weather, hot summers, cold winters, and coastal humidity. Homeowners enjoy long-lasting performance, low maintenance needs, resistance to moisture, rot, and fading, improved home comfort year-round. These benefits contribute to the long-term value of your investment, even at a budget-friendly price point. Enhanced curb appeal. Without a high price tag, new windows dramatically transform the exterior appearance of a home. Pre-made windows come in modern designs and attractive finishes that improve curb appeal without exceeding your budget. You can choose clean, contemporary lines, decorative grid patterns, black or white frames, energy-efficient glass with enhanced clarity. This allows Baltimore homeowners to refresh their home's appearance affordably and beautifully. Affordable, efficient, and stylish. Pre-made windows are a smart choice for budget-conscious Baltimore homeowners. Pre-made windows offer an unbeatable combination of affordability, style, and performance. With fast availability, lower installation costs, and energy-efficient features, they deliver outstanding value while improving comfort and curb appeal. If you're looking to upgrade your home without overspending, Pre-Made Windows provide a smart, reliable solution that fits both your needs and your budget.